You're welcome to my tutorial. This is Support Incorporated. Today I'm going to show you how to embed a live chat on a web page. Alright, first of all, in case you're new to my channel, I'd like you to click on the subscribe button and also hit the bell notification button just in case I put up a new video. Now let's get started with this little tutorial. And anyway, I did this video just in case for some of you who requested that I should show you all how to embed a live chat on a web page. So I'm going to make a demo web page, then I'm going to create a live chat plugin on it. Okay, now let's get started. I already had a folder on my desktop. Now I'm going to open that folder. Okay, and I'm going to create a new file on my test editor, a web page rather. I'm going to say type HTML. Okay, I'm going to put a head, say the title tag, say creating a live chat on a web page. Okay. Okay. I'm going to create a body. Alright. Now, just in case for those of you who doesn't understand HTML, and I'd like you to go to my tutorial on HTML tutorial. So what I'm doing this video just to show you how to embed a live chat on a website. Okay, I'm just going to do a dummy website that you can see. So I'm just going to create a small heading. I'll say this site is just for embedding a live chat. Okay. Alright. Okay. Now, in embedding a live chat on a website, it doesn't require much. All you have to do is just go to your live chat website that is a company of which you subscribe to your live chat. They're going to give you an API code that you can just copy and paste on your website. So I'm going to save this file. I'll save it on my desktop. Tutorial. I'm just going to save it here. I'm going to call it index.html. Okay, good. And I'm going to go back to that folder. Then I'm going to open that file from my browser. And it's going to come up right now. Okay, now this is just a dummy website I created now. See, this site is just for embedding a live chat. Okay, as you can see, I use a heading and there's a title I added. Now, I already set up an account on a website called clickatel.com. You see, this site, it's help us embed a live chat plugin on our website. And one important thing I like about Clickatel is that they support Nigeria, and also they have a lot of touch plugin that you can connect even SMS chat or a WhatsApp, even a social media account on your website. Right now, I'm just going to use that of the live chat feature on our Touch or REST API. So I'm going to wait till the page open, and I'm going to log in on my. Okay, wow, network is pretty slow here now. Okay, now this is my dashboard on Clickatel. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go straight. Alright, I'm going to click on touch. I'll click on configure touch. Okay, so touch is an API. So it all depends on the company you're going to use. There are a lot of them that supports live chat, but I just prefer Clickatel because the given services are required. Okay, now you can see here we have web chat, Facebook posts and messenger, Twitter mentions, and even SMS. Alright, so right now for the case of this tutorial, I'm going to be using that of the web chat. Okay, so I'm going to click on manage. I already set up an API for this because I'm using it for some of my websites. So what I'm going to do here now, this is just the code base of what I require. I'm just going to click on copy this link, and I'm going to go back to my HTML. And if you notice, this link is to be pasted on the header of the HTML. Okay, so I'm just going to click here and paste it here. Alright, then I'm going to go back to the same page. Alright, then I'm going to copy this one also, then I'm going to paste it on the script tag inside the body. Okay, good. I'm going to copy. Okay, then I'm going to take it back to here inside the body of my website. So I'm going to paste it. Okay, with this and this, I'm going to have a live chat on my website. So I'm going to save this page. Then I'll go back here and click the reload button. Awesome. Before long, you're going to see, you see, booyah, it's a live chat. It's coming up in here. You get it now? So it's not embedded because I'm online. So if I click on it, you see, I can start to chat with any of the agents. Okay, and also from this live chat, from this dashboard, I can go back to this place and I can also see chats from here. So when I'm logged in on this place, I can also talk on the launch chat desk. Okay, so from here, when I register users on this platform, they are going to be customer service agents. So whenever I send a chat, or whenever someone sends a chat, okay, whenever someone sends a chat from this website, it goes directly on that place. So I'm going to say, hi, good morning, good. So I'm going to send this message, and it automatically replies. Okay, it's a chat bot. So when I go back there, because nobody is connected, it's going to use the bot. Okay, so if I click on agent assistant, then I'm going to log into this terminal whereby whenever anyone is chatting from the website, not a robot now is going to talk to the person, rather it's going to be an agent, someone on the back end to reply that person in the website. So thank you so much. If you like this video, I'd like you to hit the subscribe button and also the bell notification just in case I put up another video. For now, thank you so much.